The United States has made public its initial review of how an Army lab in Utah sent live samples of anthrax to facilities around the world, including an airbase in Korea. In response, Korea's defense ministry says it will strengthen measures to prevent such cases in the future. Our Kim Ji-yeon tells us more.
The U.S. Pentagon blamed institutional and procedural failures at a Utah military lab for the release of live anthrax sample spores earlier this year. Deputy Defense Secretary Bob Work said Thursday that its review found no criminal or malicious intent behind the shipments from the Dugway Proving Ground military lab, but added that the lab's testing rate to ensure the virus had been inactivated was low, making the system prone to error.
And there was a very short period of time between the time Dugway irradiated the sample and declared it dead, and then the viability test to conclude that it was.
Work said live anthrax samples were sent from Dugway to 86 government and private labs facilities in the U.S. and 7 other countries, including an airbase in Korea. In response, Korea's defense ministry says it will launch an investigation through Korea-U.S. Joint Working Group formed earlier this month to figure out how live anthrax could have been shipped to its U.S. Forces Korea Osan airbase. The ministry says the group will focus on how the samples were cleared and whether they were properly processed, and also to find out if they've been shipped to the country in the past. The ministry says it's considering pushing for stronger measures regarding notification from the U.S. before it ships live and inactivated anthrax into Korea. Kim Ji-yeon, Arirang News.